I was really dedicated to school, and then I had my mom on my case, my dad, and I come from a Spanish background.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
So my dad owns a construction business. For him to see me sitting in my room on the computer,
it doesn't make sense. It doesn't add up. Yeah.
And then he's out there on the roofs, and I come home see he thought I was just in there playing games.
Yeah.
So it was definitely a tough. Like that first year was definitely tough.
But you stuck it out after the first year.
Mm-hmm.
And year 2, what, did you have any results or what?
Yeah, so my first year, bro, I remember the exact date. It was March 7th. I had already lost like $9,000, $10,000.
Of real capital.
Yeah, so I lost that from... And then also I invested in courses too, like mentorships. So I was in like a good $12,000. So then March 7th, bro, I was like, damn. I had $500. I was like, I'm going to take this $500, deposit it. Whatever happens, just let it be. So that March 7th was a Thursday. And then by March 15th, I turned that account to $119,000.
No way. You turned $500 into $100,000?
Yeah. And it's funny because when I tell people that in a week, it's like, what the fuck? Like, for real, bro? I don't know if I'm allowed to curse, but...
Bro, please do.
Yeah, so when I tell a lot of people that, like, what? And if you watch the last interview I did with Anna, I showed them my FX book.
Sheesh.
Like, it shows where I did the deposit. But yeah, so that right there showed me that this is possible, bro. But it's just, are you willing to go through, like, those trials and tribulations to actually get to it?
Bro, what was that moment like? Please walk me through that. Walk me through that week, because that's like...
It was definitely a very interesting week. Because first I got the account from 500 to 10,000. And I'll show you the video I texted my cousin. He's like, bro, look. He's like, yo, on a demo account? He's like, nah, bro, it's real. So I screen recorded, showed him the trade, showed him that it was a live account. And then from there, I grew it to...
So you didn't withdraw anything?
I withdrew $6,000.
You withdrew $6,000 at that point?
So then I had it back at what? So from 5 to 10, 6, 4. And then from the $4,000, I just started going again. I remember when I had the account at 93,000, bro. And I was like, I'm going to get it to 100K. But like I said, I wasn't just taking... Like, I was catching 200 pip moves, 100 pip moves on GJ and GU. So I was catching, like, swing moves pretty much.
Damn, that's nuts, man.
But at that point, bro, like, when I just showed that, I feel like that was just life showing me that it's possible. Don't give up. Keep going. Chase your dreams. And let's do it. And then ever since that, bro, nobody told me nothing. My dad didn't tell me nothing. My mom, like, they started having more faith in me.
So did you lose that money, end up losing it, or you got to withdraw all of it?
Yeah, I withdrew, like, at least, like, 80% of it. Damn. But then I gave back. But, like, I always tell people, bro, it's a blessing and a curse. It's a curse in the aspect of, like, I developed some very bad habits, over-leveraging, greed. So, like, it was good, and, like, financial-wise, it was good. But it developed a lot of bad habits. So just how quickly it went up. Now every account I try to grow, I try to do that again. So I'll deposit $1,000. Let's try to grow it again quick. Deposit another $1,000. Deposit $5,000. Try to grow it. There's all these bad habits.
Have you been able to successfully do it again?
No, I never tried it again. And I don't want to, because I don't want to develop those bad habits. And if I was to try to do it again, I feel like it'll be like later on in life when I'm just like, all right, like I can do it. But I feel like I could do it again if I really tried. But I don't want to.
No, we need to make that happen live on camera, guy.
So,
seriously.
Yeah, so like I always tell people when I tell like, oh, what, fuck? Like, oh, it's a lie. Did you really do it? But like I said, I'm grateful I have the My FX book to show. Because if not without that, bro, I would just be...
How much were you risking on a trade?
I was just going full margin.
Just everything.
But the thing is, like, once I would like get to my certain point, because like, I have my TP set at very high points. So I have 4 daily hour. Bro, one of my entries, I wicked the weekly. Like, if you look at the weekly candle, it was literally at the bottom. And it shot
and
out
this
like
was
200.
in year 2?
This was year 1.
Year 1, dude. You're a prodigy, literally.
So, yeah, like
this is like not normal story.
And like I said, but for me, I don't like to talk about it because then people are like, what is it? It gets like a lot of bad reputation. People think, oh, this guy's a scammer. But it's like, bro, I don't sell a course. I don't have a mentorship. This is just my story.
Yeah.
I know it's not normal, but I'm grateful for it.
Yeah.
Because it's showing me what's possible in this world.
What would you say is like the sketchiest moment of that week? You flipping that account?
I remember, because around 5 o'clock, like the spreads go crazy.
Yeah.
Bro, I was up like 20 grand, and then spread just went crazy. It all came right back to like break even, but I didn't close out. And I was like, damn. You know what's even funny? I was like, let me add in more entries. So I added more entries, but it was just literally like a wick, and it just shot right back down because it was continuing my direction. So that was, like, I feel like in that moment I was very confident in myself.